Good morning. It's Sunday for you, but it's midweek for us. We are headed out of cell service, so we have to schedule this video to go up on Sunday, but we just wanted to come on here and just have a quick update. We don't really have an elaborate video to post.
We've been visiting family and friends a lot and not filming. It's been a great time to catch up with some folks and our kids we haven't seen for a long time. So we just booked a campground that there's no cell service at. We're going to be there for a while.
Yeah.
And so we decided just to put a quick video up and post it, scheduled to come up Sunday when we're out of cell service.
Yeah.
So we wanted to say thank you.
Yeah, we did want to say thank you. So last video we posted was about the systems of the van, and we mentioned that the induction cooktop, for one, sometimes the burner, if you touch it and the inverter's on, you touch it, the burner will come on inadvertently. We had Stuart over on Patreon. He actually researched and found out we can lock those burners out. So
We should have
it's
known.
super simple. You just press the up and down button at the same time and it locks the burner. So
There's even a lock symbol.
yes, there is a lock symbol, but this is how bad we are. We just
Thanks,
don't
Stuart.
research. Thanks, Stuart. Yes. And also, what was the other tip?
Well, I mentioned in the video that when we're at an angle, like the water that the pot we boil our water in for coffee pour overs,
Yeah.
it slides
That's right.
as it's cooking. And so a whole bunch of you commented that apparently we're the only people on the planet. No, they didn't say that, but
No.
apparently there's this silpat,
Yeah.
silicone thin mat that you can put on the stove. Apparently lots of people do it, and then your induction still works with your pan, but your pot doesn't slide around. So we had a whole bunch of people comment, so thank you for all of those comments. We really appreciate that. We learned so much we put a video out. We just start doing videos like things we have trouble with and
Exactly.
let you guys solve all our problems for us.
I love it. It's like the group working for the collective good. Like, everybody's so helpful.
Yeah, because like we've mentioned before, we don't really watch other YouTubers. I watch spoon carvers on YouTube, and that's about all I watch. And
Yeah.
so she's learning how to speak Spanish.
I am. So I've been on Duolingo. And
What's it called?
Duolingo. And I don't know if any of you guys, I imagine some of you use Duolingo, but I am learning Spanish on there. And it can be somewhat competitive if you make it that way. There's different leagues. And so that really encourages me to do it, because I like to be first place at the top of the league, and then you get bumped up to the next league. And then if the number 2 person's coming in too close, I quickly have to do a bunch of lessons so I stay ahead. Anyway, that's been fun. That's what I do with my time.
I'll hear her in the back when I'm up here doing something and she's doing her Duolingo, and I'll hear like, "Oh no, you don't! Oh no, you don't!"
Oh, number 2 person's on at the same time I am, and we're both like creeping up. So anyway, that's been fun, but that is what I've been doing.
We really appreciate the comments. Not just that, but we know, many of you know, that YouTubers really appreciate the likes and the comments because of the YouTube algorithm. They get seen more, and it helps the people create content. And so we appreciate that for that reason, but we really do appreciate the comments. Some of you have been commenting for years, and we feel like we know you. We've got to meet some of you. We hope we can do more. So we read the comments. I try to respond to every single comment.
Yeah.
If we don't, it's because sometimes I miss one and I don't come back to it later. I apologize, but
It's a fun part. Now Dave fields the comments. It's a fun part of his day. So
well, I do, but then there's some I say, hey, this is more your
yeah,
towards
some
you.
yeah, some
Sometimes
I
I
do.
can tell the questions for Irene.
For sure. Yeah, that's true.
I have a hard time pretending I'm Irene.
But this Sunday we are going to be out of cell service, so we'll get back to you on Monday sometime. Also, we will be hopefully working on the Nature's Head toilet in this coming week. So hopefully next Sunday we will have that review video up for you.
All about the love-hate relationship.
Yeah, exactly. So hopefully next Sunday that's what y'all will be watching. Yeah, so I hope you... Oh, we were going to do the Otzi grill. We have that new...
It's a new flat pack grill that we've been using, and we wanted to use it one more time and film using it, cooking something that's, more of a challenge. But we're out in Oregon. It's so dry. There is no fires. There's no briquettes. It's the only cooking you can do outside is in like a like a gas grill.
Propane, yeah.
So we can't use that until it's a safer time. So
that's okay. We'll get to that at some point. But
and we're also still trying to put together the video for the design, how we designed the van, why we designed it, laid it out the way we did. It's in our head, but trying to put it in a video. As most of most of our videos have always been just about us traveling, not about the van. So we enjoy the video series we've been doing about the van, but it's been a challenge for us because we're like, okay, how do we do this? How do we film this?
It's not our forte. It's not our specialty. So,
but we've been enjoying doing them. So I think that
yeah.
People are interested in more than just the adventures. So I think we'll always kind of add that sort of stuff into our lineup. And
for sure, this fall we're gonna have a 5-year van video. Like,
oh my gosh, 5 years. Also, next week we may be visiting our friends Dan and Christina at Rove Rome Overland Vehicles. They build custom sprinters and they're working on some new projects. And we might go over there, maybe film their shop and kind of introduce them and see, what their story is and how they got to where they did. It's an interesting story. So
Dave, there might be footage of Dave driving a Unimog.
Oh yeah.
So that's coming up.
Gotta get me one of those.
Oh boy, here we go again. Oh, Pistol, you gotta make an you gotta make an appearance. Aw, baby. That's you're the reason people tune in. We know that. All right, we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Carry on.